They're expecting around 10,000 footfalls today.
India means mera dil, my heart. It is my heart.
It's a very big event and a huge event for the community.
I'm very much delighted to be here for the Delhi Heart 2024. It is the 10th edition of the event which brings together Indian art, crafts and also Indian culture, cuisine. There are over 120 stalls that are displaying Indian products, especially Indian textiles, Indian jewelry, Indian metalware, woodenware, even painting. This event is promoting Indian culture, showcasing the unity and diversity of India. So I'm very happy to see the large participation of the Indian community and also the non-Indians. They're expecting around 10,000 footfalls today.
This is an event that we're all very proud of in our community because it represents so much that is beautiful about our community and particularly the Indian community. I mean, just look around, the clothes, the dances. I was lucky enough to see a couple of performances and they were spectacular. It's like coming home for many of us just to come here. And I'm so grateful to all of you for the organization and the effort it takes to put something like this together.
I think it's wonderful. I've never been to this event before, and I feel like I'm back in India. And seeing all the dances and the performances, I'm blown away. It's absolutely wonderful.
What does India mean to you?
India means home to me. You know, I was born in Bangalore and born in India, but I've been here for 27 years. But India means home to me. My soul is back in India.
You know, welcome to Cupertino. Welcome back to Cupertino. We're really excited. You know, as I said, America is a kaleidoscope, and our Indian-American friends bring the best cultural, colorful, exhibits and all the clothes and all the cultural performances. We're so proud of our Indian friends. So welcome back to Cupertino Memorial Park. Yeah.
It's good to see the energy around. It's good to see such a large congregation of Indian community. Normally what I notice is, you have events for a particular state or community. Here I find representing entire India. So it's heartwarming. It's getting good response. People are coming, inquiring about our products. Thank you very much, Women Now group, for organizing such events. And we have been associated with this for a number of years now. And we hope to continue to do that in future.
India means mera dil, my heart. It is my heart.
It's a very big event and a huge event for the community where we can get together and we come together as a community, as an Indian diaspora and share our pleasure and enjoyments. And on behalf of Air India, I'm great. We are thankful to Anna to give us the opportunity to be part of a sponsor.
So thank you so much for being a part of Delhi Heart. How are you liking the event?
I think it's absolutely amazing. What you guys have done here has been incredible. Getting the entire South Asian and Indian diaspora at one event has been absolutely wonderful, and we've loved partnering with Women's TV and with Delhi Heart year after year.
Oh, I love the beautiful ladies decked up for the sari parade. It's really nice. The whole India come together and it's really nice enjoying it here, and we are super excited to partner with you again this year.
I'm loving it here. I'm seeing the colors. I love it. I'm so excited and I'm getting to meet more of my community.
How are you liking the event?
It's a wonderful experience, and I might say that it's good to see so many people out here and enjoying. That's the spirit, and it's lovely. It's really good. Amazing job.
What are your thoughts about the event? What do you like the most?
Yes, it's my first time here, and it's wonderful that I'm here in the Cupertino community experiencing Delhi Heart.
We are from Golden One Credit Union. We are based in Sacramento, Walnut Creek, so we are especially in home loans. I feel great. I have always been a part of Delhi Heart for so many years. It has always been great, and it's been growing. So it's been growing every year after year. So definitely appreciate being here.